If it's something I gotta buy anyway, I'd like to get it $1 or $2 cheaper. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about couponing 101. Okay, if you're anybody like me, you know that the prices are just too high. Inflation is going too crazy. So you need to find something cheap around here. Something save some kind of money some kind of way. So if I can help you save at least $1 today, that'll make me very happy. My job has been done. I'm not an extreme couponer or anything. I'm a beginner myself, but I don't have, you know, the big storage closet full of items, but I do have a surplus of things that I need in my home, and it makes it a whole lot easier for me since I have 2 kids. I have to run to the store every time I need something, and it's just a lot easier. So if I can help you guys save $1 or $2, it does justice for me. So let's get into it. So first things first, I need you to download them apps. Download those apps. Any store that you're shopping at guaranteed has an app, and that app has a reward system and or a couponing system. I'm guarantee you it does. So whatever store you shop at, whether it be Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walgreens, CVS, Target, Walmart, Sam's, even Amazon, all these different apps have coupons and reward systems. So after you download those apps, create an account, sign up for whatever membership they may have. Reward systems, 99% of the time they're free, but create an account, sign up for whatever membership rewards deal they have, sign up. Okay, sign up. So then after you do that, you're just gonna go through their deals. We're gonna use Dollar General for an example. You sign in, you make your rewards, and you're gonna go to the deals. You're gonna look at all the coupons, and you're just gonna click them. You're gonna click the little plus button, and you click them. They have all different categories. You can find them through baby care, beauty, personal care, household items, cleaning items, laundry, everything. You go through this app and you go and find whatever you use, and clip it. Clip these deals. And what I need for you guys to do when you clip these deals is to read them. Read those deals. Read what the requirements are to get these deals, because what you don't want to do is clip a deal or 2 deals and things of that nature and thinking that you only needed 1 item or this specific item or that item. Then you get to check-out and you put your number in and nothing knocks down. And it's because you didn't fulfill the requirements for said coupon. You know, because some coupons requires only 1 thing. Some coupons require 1 specific thing. Some can be generalized on the brand. Others can be a very specific item within the brand. And sometimes you need to buy 2 or 3 items to fulfill that coupon. So please read them coupons, y'all. Once you clip all your deals, I want you to make sure that you clip this coupon right here, and that is $5 off if you spend $25 or more. This is the staple coupon that you're going to need to help you knock down on your prices when you check out. This coupon is available at Dollar General, but it is also available at Family Dollar. I'm not sure if it's available in any other apps, but for sure Dollar General and Family Dollar. And it's only available on Saturdays. So the deal with this coupon is if you spend $25 pre-tax, you're gonna get an automatic $5 knockoff. So your goal when you're going to coupon is you want to make sure that every item that you buy adds up to $25 or more pre-tax, but also has its own coupon attached, and that's how your prices are going to knock down. So once you have all your coupons clipped and you have your $5 to $25 off coupon clipped as well, you're going to go to Dollar General and you're going to pick up those items that you want to get that you have clipped, and you're going to go to the checkout, type in your number, scan the items, and then boom, the deals are going to knock off. Now, personally for me, before I go to the store, I like to write out my list. You can find people that are going to give you like different lists and deals that you can follow to the T, that's going to say, okay, if you do this, you're going to spend only $3 or $7 or $10 and plus tax if you follow this specific deal. Sometimes I do those, but personally for me, a lot of times when I see those deals, it's items or things that I don't use in my household. So personally for me, it doesn't make sense for me to buy things that I don't use in my own household just to spend $5 on it, and that's it. But if it works for you in your household, go for it. But me personally, I like to go through these deals and find what items that I use in my household on a daily basis that's going to be actually effective for me. When I coupon, I especially like to coupon at Dollar General because in their app they have a list option, and when you put your items in that list, it will give you the entire total including the coupons and estimated tax. So usually whenever I do that, it tells me exactly what I'm going to spend before I even walk into the store. That makes it very convenient for me, so I'm not like looking kind of crazy when I type my number in and then the deals knock off, and for some reason it's not knocking off for what I think it's gonna knock off. And I'm like, what? Wait, what's going on? Also, I would definitely suggest when you make your list, whether you write it down or you do it within the app, I will write your list out, and I will write out all the prices of each item and total it, and then write off what that coupon is for each item and also total it. So that way, even if you don't use Dollar General, you will at least have a pre-tax number of what you should be spending again, so you don't look crazy when things pop up on your checkout and you're like, hold on, wait, is that the price is supposed to be? If there's something higher, you're gonna know something's wrong. Also, personally for me, I like to put myself at a limit of $50. $50 is my limit when I go couponing. I try to go every Saturday, but I don't go every single Saturday. Sometimes it's every other Saturday, but it just depends on what's going on. But I like to put myself at a max of $50 pre-tax, or $50 period. That's what I'm spending. And I have the Dollar General app, the Family Dollar app, Target, Walgreens, and my husband also have these apps as well. And so what I like to do is we go to these stores, he uses his $5 off, I use my $5 off, but it's all on the same items of whatever I want to purchase for the home. It makes it a lot easier. So basically every Saturday I'm spending $50 on something, and I usually spend under $50, but that's just my cap. So because 25 and 25 is 50. So I went to Dollar General one day and actually filmed myself getting all the items that I got. And I'm going to show you guys how much it cost versus how much the coupon was and how it knocked down, just to give a visual representation of how this couponing thing works. And that's it for my couponing 101. If you guys have any questions, if you want me to make more content like this, just let me know. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video, and I might just make some more of these if this is something that kind of picks up traction. I think it is just a good idea in this day and age. If you're gonna buy something, you might as well try and get it cheaper if possible. That's just my motto. If it's something I gotta buy anyway, I'd like to get it $1 or $2 cheaper. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.